Yeah, guys, Floaty here, and welcome back to another video. And today, I'm flipping this over because today, we're seeing, we can hear my dad snoring in a video. That's literally him snoring, if you can hear that. It was so funny last time. Okay, guys, I don't know if you heard that, but that was pretty funny. I tried to keep holding. I tried so hard to keep my laughter down my throat, but at one point it was right here. And I had to go like that. Or else I would have spurted out and I would laugh so hard that he woke up in the video. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you did enjoy, leave a like for more videos. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye! And always keep floating. Lol, I caught my dad snoring. LOL.